here 8 plus 6 and 3 squared minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, first of all, inside the parentheses, okay, 3 squared. If an exponent is outside parentheses, you solve it after simplifying everything inside the parentheses first. Example, 3 plus 2 whole squared, right? So parentheses first, 5, right? Step to exponent, 5 squared, 25. So common mistake if someone does exponent first, like 3 plus 2 whole squared. 3 squared equals 9, 2 squared equals 4, right? So that's the different expression, not the same as 3 plus 2 whole squared. So inside the parenthesis first, so exponent. So 8 plus 6, 3 squared means 9 minus 4 and divided by 2. Now parenthesis again, 8 plus 6 and 9 minus 4 equals 5 divided by 2. Now here is hidden multiply. So multiplication and division should be done before addition and subtraction. So multiply first. So 6 times 5 equals 30 divided by 2, right? Now division first. So 8 plus 30 divided by 2 equals 15. And now 8 plus 15 equals 23.